Hey guys, what is up, TechDesign Squad? Welcome back to Unframed, the official podcast and the collaboration series of Tech Design HD. And from today's video, I'm gonna talk about how to be a pro graphic designer starting as a beginner. So guys, without further ado, let's dig in. So guys, in this episode, as I discussed earlier, I'll be talking about how to be a graphic designer from the beginner level to the pro level. So, most of the people have frequently asked these questions. How can I get into the pro level in a lesser time? What skills should I need to be a pro designer? How can I improve my skills to promote my designing level? What is the difference of being a beginner and a pro designer? How can I be known myself as a graphic designer? So guys, in this episode, I'm gonna discuss on how to improve your skills to be a graphic designer, how those levels affect for the experiences of designing, how to grow with designing communities, how to make yourself known as a designer, how to start freelancing, and how to start your career as a graphic designer. So guys, first of all, you need to get to know about your skills to be a graphic designer. My opinion is that a designer always looks through the eyes and make it alive from their concepts and thoughts. So, what I'm trying to mean is that guys, to be a designer, you always have to think different. You should be someone who can visualize anything in the eyes and make it intensive in your mind. That means if you have the ability of turning anything into a creative imagery, you have that so-called basic concept of designing. But most of the people think that a designer is a person who makes it with those designing softwares like Photoshop and Illustrator. But now you have to know who's really a designer is. Indeed, you need to have a considerable skill with the designing softwares. But guys, basically you need to have the above mentioned skill that to visualize a creative imagery through your concepts. So, in order to conquer the pro level of designing, your concepts must be original and more creative, and your vision should be intensive. And oh yeah, I'm also gonna talk about how to develop your skills with designing softwares. So, this is based on my own experience guys, that every time when you are designing, for an example like a photo manipulation or a logo design, my advice is to test your every concept putting into that design. As I always say, it's okay to inspire your ideas by watching other designers, but always remember your concept should be your own and more creative, and it's great if it is original. So, when you put on your every concept into the design, you'll be able to catch up with the best concept that goes great for your design. So guys, if you want to see more designing tutorials like Photoshop, Illustrator, InDesign or 3D building, let me know in the comment section. So guys, I hope you'll be able to develop your basic skills like your concepts and the creativity by following my yeah, you know, So guys, I think you know about there are some grades in designing like beginner level, experience level, pro level and expert level. Before going to discuss about those things, I want to tell you one thing, that to be a graphic designer, I mean to conquer all the way up to pro level, it takes time man, it will take time. You know what, just let your designing skills grow up with the time. It's the best thing, and there's no such shortcuts, and damn, just don't even think about it. It will take time depending on how well you are catching up with the concepts and creativity. And as a beginner, like, it took me almost 1 year to become a pro designer. And I'm proud of myself that at least I could interact with hundreds of YouTubers and designers, and share my experiences and knowledge, and it really helps to improve how well your concepts are going forward with your experiences. So my advice is every time test your limits with designing, and after some time you'll definitely see how well your skills have been developed. So as we discussed earlier, interactions among communities and the other worldwide designers are really important, guys. Why I'm saying that is, from the other hand, this is the best way to develop your designing skills. When you interact with many communities, you can get to know about so much of stuff, like what strategies you could practice to improve. And you can share and gain knowledge from the other designers, you can get to know about how they have improved their skills. And you know what, guys? In the communities, they share their designs. So this is crazy. Like, in the communities, there are every kind of designers in all of those grades or levels. So you can easily see the difference or the highlights of those contrasting designs from pro designers or from experienced ones or from the beginners. So that's why growing up with communities are really important. Or maybe you could have a chance to build up even a partnership with designers in different countries. And you can find those design communities all over the social media, like in Twitter groups, FB groups, or even the bigger communities in the internet. After getting over everything, now you need to make yourself known as a graphic designer, right? So this is really up to you. Like, this is based on your preference. Like, I do YouTube to promote my work, and I promote my designs in social media like Insta and Twitter, and I've built up my own website to showcase my work. And this is where the communities really help you. You can share your work, that means the designs and the skills you've made out so far. Like, I always upload my work on social media and different communities so that they get to know who I am. I do motion graphics, visual arts, concept designs, revamp designs, and much more. And literally, I'm requesting to the other designers or to the other people who are interested in designing to see my work from YouTube or from my social media. And if they are interested on your work, they may share your content and it will spread to the others also. And then is the best thing, the clients. If they are interested on what you're doing, they surely give you a chance to do their project. So you always need to keep up a good communication with them, and I can guarantee you that if you give out the best out of your effort to the client's project, you will definitely receive a positive feedback. And like that, you can drag yourself up as a professional graphic designer. So further than that, if you want to freelance for a company or to be an unofficial freelancer, this is where your dedication and effort that you put on when you were a beginner turn to be alive. So if you want to keep up with designing as an official freelancer, you can work for companies or for the normal clients. You can start with some freelancing websites to find clients and to find the projects you are capable of doing. Or if you want to work for companies, you can just apply for forms, or you can contact those in Twitter or any social media to begin yourself as an official graphic designer. First of all, when you start freelancing, just don't make your charge the priority. I know that you need to charge a certain amount satisfying your effort, but in the first times, you need the positive feedbacks and expose in the field, and then you can go on with your own style. And also, guys, I'll mention some of those freelancing websites that you can join in the description, and feel free to check them out. So guys, this is all what I have to tell you about growing as a graphic designer and all those stuff like freelancing and making out your career. So guys, I guess this was helpful for all who want to grow up as a graphic designer. So comment down below what you really think about this podcast episode, and leave a message what topics I should discuss on the upcoming episodes of Unframed. So guys, thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, smash the like button, share my content with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to enjoy more videos like this and to be the part of TechDesign Squad. So guys, I'll see you from another video very soon. As always, stay awesome.